Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
With me, Ellya, tafrika, octa, and my friend
Muhammad Azmi Sihaq.
So we are going to talk about mental health,
Young people generation in British.
of course.
And I want to ask you,
What?
and what is mental health?
In my opinion, mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social
Yes.
well-being. It affects how we act, think,
Yeah.
and feel. That's all.
And then, what is the most common mental health problem for young people in the UK and this area, British?
There are books that mix anxiety and depression. Britain's most common mental disorder, with 7.8% people meeting the criteria for diagnosis. How many young people struggle with mental health in UK?
In the UK or British, 20% of adolescents might experience a mental health problem in any given year. 50% of mental health problems are established by age 14 and 75% by age 24. Okay.
And then what cases young people to struggle with mental health?
Psycho, emotional, and social change, including exposure to poverty, abuse, or violence, can make adolescents vulnerable to mental health problems. Yeah, and in the mental health, for support for children and young people's mental health in British, for example, find advice and support about mental health for children, teenagers, students, and parents. Okay, how about advice for parents, Ellya, tafrika?
I think advice and support for parents looking after a child, teenager, or young adult with mental health problems, including helping them understand and cope with their mood and feelings. Second, supporting them during life experiences. And last, support for parents' mental health. I think that.
So, and then help for teenagers, young adults, and students, advice and support for teenagers, young adults, and students with mental health problems, including talking about your mental health, finding the right mental health service, and support for coping with life experience.
Well, that's
all for the explanation about mental health from us, Muhammad Azmi Sihaq,
and Ellya, tafrika, octa. Thank
see
you.
Thank you.